Today we are using the coconut milk shampoo and conditioner. Some benefits of the shampoo and conditioner. It penetrates, strengthens, softens, and detangles. On my model, I'm using about a quarter size amount, but how much you need depends on the amount of hair they have. You only need maximum of 2 washes to get the job done. Coconut milk shampoo is sulfate-free and instantly softens, strengthens, and detangles. This shampoo is formulated with an exclusive anti-fade system, which is great for color retention and helps to protect hair from loss of protein. This lightweight shampoo will leave the hair with a lot of body, volume, and shine by replenishing hair fibers and promoting hair growth. Next, we will use the coconut milk conditioner. Remember, only apply the conditioner to the hair, not to the scalp. For a normal wash, you can apply the conditioner and then rinse. For a deep conditioning treatment, leave on for 10 minutes before rinsing. It fortifies hair fibers with proteins, iron, and oils, and adds shine while preventing split ends. Following cleansing, it's best to use the coconut milk leave-in conditioner, which is specially formulated to harness the moisturizing and nourishing properties of pure natural coconut milk. It restores damaged hair and protects against chemical and UV damage. It also fortifies and smooths cuticles and conditions porous hair. I'm also using the coconut milk styling foam. This firm hold humidity resistant formula is lightweight and leaves no buildup. The foam is fast drying and excellent for wraps, waves, and wet styles. And that's it. Now you may style as desired. To purchase your products, visit www.influencehaircare.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.